Drivers of the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, numbering in excess of 40, gathered at Stony Hill for a capacity building workshop that was organized to enhance their skill sets and improve service delivery. Hemish Aldonza, who is the Transport Officer at the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, said the workshop focused on some key areas such as specimen sampling handling, vehicle management policy, and maintenance.
We have quite a number of health facilities island-wide. So the service that we provide is of utmost importance. As you know, the work that we do impacts lives, and we have to ensure that the drivers are knowledgeable and well equipped with the skill sets that is needed to ensure that the ministry's mandate can be fulfilled. I'm hoping that after all this information has been imparted, that the drivers will be able to use it to their benefit, because we have a very, very big ministry with a lot of departments, and the workload can get very, very, very hectic. It's very easy for them to experience fatigue and burnout, and perhaps sometimes in the absence of being properly trained, that can affect the delivery of the service.
Permanent Secretary Ms. Jenny Daniel said because of the vital role that the Ministry of Health plays in the society, the importance of the capacity building workshop must be underscored. Addressing the drivers, the Permanent Secretary recognized that they were performing a tedious but highly significant role to the health.
It is not because you're a driver and you feel that maybe your pay is not as big as some other persons and whatever. Your role is significant. It's extremely important. Without you, can you imagine a day when we have no drivers? Mail doesn't get delivered. Specimens don't get delivered. Supplies don't get delivered to the wellness centers. And you can tell me all the other things that will stop happening on that day. As a result, we value you. We value the contribution that you make towards the health sector. We see it as very important, and this is why we decided to have this workshop here today, so that you can understand how you are seen within the ministry.
The Permanent Secretary also encouraged the drivers to consider themselves as ambassadors for the ministry, and in so doing, to pay attention to their general deportment and attire. Wendy Reynolds Belize, Administrative Assistant at the ministry, said the ministry is hoping to make the capacity building workshop for drivers an annual exercise. The workshop was facilitated by Ms. Betty Comby, Managing Director and owner of Moz Inc., a local training and consulting firm. Ms. Comby's presentation focused on customer service delivery. The participants also got the opportunity to access basic health screening services, which were being provided at the workshop. From the Ministry of Health, Wellness and Elderly Affairs, Julita Peter reporting.